Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove emergency contact from our emergency contacts list in Samsung Galaxy S22. First of all, where to look for this emergency contacts menu or list, or where to find it. So settings, then we are scrolling all the way down to safety and emergency, and here we have our emergency contacts. Right now we have two members. Let's delete one. So tap and hold, and here we have our remove option. Remove, and now our contact is no longer on our emergency list. We have Mr. Morlock still in our emergency contacts. We can also change it by changing groups from contacts menu. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.